Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into our latest tutorial, how to add tasks in Todoist, the complete 2025 guide. First things first, open up your Todoist app or head to the website. Now, why is this important? Well, you want to ensure you're using the most recent version of the platform to take full advantage of its features. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to add a task. This helps us because Todoist organizes tasks by project, enabling you to keep everything neatly sorted. If you're juggling multiple projects, you'll appreciate this feature. Next up, click on the Add Task button. It's typically located at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on the device you're using. The reason we do this is pretty straightforward. It's how you create a new task in Todoist. Now, in the task box that appears, type in the name of your task. Be specific. A clear, concise task name helps to eliminate confusion later on. Then, set a due date for your task. You can do this by clicking on the calendar icon next to the task name. This is crucial because Todoist will use this information to remind you about your upcoming tasks. Stay on top of your work and never miss a deadline again. Finally, click on Add Task. Just like that, you've created a new task in Todoist. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. In today's busy world, having a reliable system to manage your tasks can be a game changer. Todoist helps you stay organized, ensuring you keep track of your tasks efficiently. And there you have it. Adding tasks in Todoist is as simple as that. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial. Until then, happy organizing.